Hi there, welcome back again. How are you? Hope you're doing well. And today I was gonna show you how to make barbecue pork. It's in Philippine style. So first we have the pork in here that I already made earlier. And first you have to put this is how you mix it. Ginger. You have to put ginger. Garlic granules, and that one is like ginger, ground ginger, and you have to put 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar or any vinegar you got in the cupboard, and a bit of sweet chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of dark sauce. This is a soy sauce, sprinkle of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Those are the ones with the ingredients. So I made earlier, and I'm going to do them in this skewer. Alright, first you do that thing like that. Put your It's quite easy to do, and you just put them in the skewer. It's like a there you go. Put them 3 in one skewer, 3 or 4. Okay. That's it. Just stab them like that. Put it like that. Quite easy to do. Like that. One more, and then you can post them in it like that. Right, it's ready to put in the grill. My pork barbecue is cooking, and it's nearly ready. So wait until golden brown. Now my barbecue is ready to serve. They're all nice and golden brown. There you go. This is nice and golden brown. You can top it up whatever kind of, whatever sauce you would like, chili sauce, vinegar, or whatever. It's up to you. Alright, there you go. If you would like this dish, subscribe, thumbs up, and likes and share. See you in the next video.